have the hiccups!
What brings you in today? Whoa! The hiccups! These can be very difficult to fix. I have a few ideas. First, let's try holding our breath. Great. Now count to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5! Whoa! These aren't just regular hiccups, they're atomic hiccups, which are worse. Much worse. Not sure if that was clear.